Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very soft pink gold double cut crease with glitter, which will look perfect for the upcoming festival of Bhaiya Dooj. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. To soothe out my dry patches, I'm first applying the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on the areas where my skin flakes the most. Because the rest of my face falls under the normal skin type, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer. To fill in the pores of my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for the pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this area, so they require a bit more love and care. For foundation today, I've mixed two shades of PAC HD liquid foundation. First is the shade in 1.7 and then the second is in the shade 3.9 because my skin shade gets a little lighter during the winters, and to blend it I'm using my trusted old Damp Beauty blender. Of course you can use a brush if you want more coverage. To hide that darkness under my chin and dark spots on my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the PAC Day Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To bring some brightness at the high points like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using the PAC Day Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and to blend it I'm again using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To give my face some structure and dimension, I'll be cream contouring my cheekbones, circumference of my face, my jawline and my nosy using the NYX Bay Contour Stick in the shade Raising Toast. To blend it, I'm using an angled flat topped kabuki brush, and for my nose I'm using a smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to bring back some warmth to my face, I'll be bronzing my face using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and this will go right above my contour. I'm using an angled brush to blend it into my skin. For powder, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. Now, personally, I don't like to use powders because I have a dry face, but I'll be setting my areas where my concealer creases the most. To bring some color to my cheeks, I'll be using these three shades from Sivana Color Ultra Blush Palette. I'll first use this angle brush to deposit my blush, and then I'm blending it with my powder brush by Real Techniques. And for highlighter, I'm using the shade Summer from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics on the highest points of my face, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Peach Sand, and to set it, I'm using my Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas with this brown shade from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using my spoolie to spread the color across so that it looks more natural. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'll be using a sticky tape. To set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray, and this one's PAC Prep and Prime. I'm first warming up my crease with this very soft carnation pink eyeshadow from the Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To further intensify my crease, I'm again dipping into this pink shade from Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette and this deep reddish maroonish shade from Nykaa Sundown Stunner palette with my PAC brush in the style 126, and to blend it, I'm using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To deepen my outer corner, I am picking up this deep reddish orangish shade from Nika K eyeshadow palette in the style Watermelon Splash with my PAC brush in the style 126. And for my lid space, I am packing it up with this gold shade Primavera from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my flat brush by again ABH Cosmetics, and I'm kneading out its edges using my flat short shader brush. To finally cut my crease, I am using this pressed gold glitter from the Nautical Nonsense palette by Wet n Wild with this very thin liner brush. And to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm again picking up this deep orange shade from Nika K eyeshadow palette with in the style Watermelon Splash with my PAC brush in the style 126. And to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm again picking up this shade Primavera from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush. Finally, to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be coating my lashes with some mascara, and this one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And to give some pop of color, I'm using this lipstick in the shade Read My Lips by Faces Canada. And for falsies, I'm applying the Clumia lashes in the style Starlet. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a neon green suit and a pink dupatta with my traditional jewelry. I'm loving the contrast and simplicity of this whole look. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and happy Bhaiya Dooj to all of you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.